Alright everybody, it's May 3rd, 2021, and I just pulled up one of my potato plants that I planted on February 15th, I believe. And this is what I got. So, let's see what comes out of here. How many I can get. The plants weren't doing so well. Something wrong with them. I don't know what. But the potatoes look like they're alright. See how many I get out of this one plant. There's another one. Guess that's about it. So I got a few more plants left. Anyway, that's it for this one. Maybe if I get a shovel I can dig some more. That's the only one I'm going to pull up right now. But that's it. Y'all grow your own food. Take care. Have a good one. I'll talk to you later.